iPhones can store up to 50,000 contacts, but importing contacts from CSV files can be tricky. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to add CSV contacts to your iPhone. Part 1. What are CSV files and contacts? CSV, separated values stores data like contacts for easy transfer between apps. Open it with Notepad, Excel, Google Sheets, or other apps. Part 2 to 3 common ways to import contact to iPhone from CSV. Way 1. Add CSV contacts to iPhone with iTunes and Outlook. Open your Outlook client, go to the File menu, select Open and Export, and choose Import Export. Choose Import from another program or file, then click Next. Click Browse, select your CSV file, then Next Contacts. Next Finish. Connect your iPhone, open iTunes, go to Info, check Sync Contacts with Outlook, choose All or Specific Groups, and click Apply. Way 2. Transfer CSV contacts to iPhone with iCloud and Google Contacts. Open your browser and go to contact.google.com. Sign into your Google account. In the More menu, select Import and click Select File in a pop-up window. Choose the CSV file from your computer and click the Import button. Export contacts as VCard and save to your desktop. Sign into iCloud.com. Go to Contacts Settings, import VCard, and select the file. Once synced, your contacts appear on your iPhone. Way 3. Import CSV files to iPhone with the CSV to VECF converter. Open an online CSV to VCard converter. Select your CSV file, click Process, then save the VECF file. Add it to your iPhone via iCloud or iTunes. Part 3. The easiest way to import CSV contacts into iPhone. iPhone Data Transfer lets you import CSV contacts directly to your iPhone. It also supports transferring music, photos, videos, and more, and can export iPhone or iPad data for backup. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer. Use USB cable to link your device to PC and launch the program. Then the tool will detect your iPhone automatically. Step 2. Import CSV contacts from PC to iPhone. After detection, open the Contacts folder, preview the contents, click Import. Select your CSV file and copy it to your iPhone.